everyone, welcome back to Real English Conversations, the podcast that helps you learn English in a fun and natural way. I'm David.
And I'm Lily. Today's episode is all about something I love, positive thinking. We'll talk about how to stay positive, and of course, we'll learn some useful English words and phrases you can use in real life.
Exactly. So if you want to improve your English and your mindset, stay with us till the end.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast with your friends who are learning English too.
All right, let's start simple. What is positive thinking?
Positive thinking means focusing on the good side of things, even when life is hard.
Right. For example, instead of saying, I can't do this, a positive thinker says, I'll try my best.
That's a great example. And here's a useful phrase. Look on the bright side. It means to find something good, even in a bad situation.
So Lily, if I lost my job but now have more time to learn English, I could say, well, look on the bright side. Now I can study every day.
Exactly. That's a perfect way to use it.
Here's another phrase, stay positive. It's something people often say to encourage others. For example, don't worry, Lily, stay positive. Things will get better.
Yes, and you can also say, keep your chin up. It means don't give up or stay strong.
Let's learn a few more useful phrases about positive thinking.
Okay, here's one. Every cloud has a silver lining. That means there's something good in every bad situation.
That's a beautiful saying. For example, I missed my train, but every cloud has a silver lining. I met a nice person at the station.
Nice. Another phrase is mindset. Your mindset is the way you think about life. You can have a positive mindset or a negative mindset.
Yes. So you could say, I'm trying to build a positive mindset by practicing gratitude every day.
Speaking of gratitude, that's another key word. Gratitude means thankfulness.
Right. If you feel gratitude, you're thankful for what you have. You can say, I feel gratitude for my family and my health.
And one more expression, focus on the good. It's simple but powerful. It reminds you to see what's working, not what's missing.
Okay, listeners, now it's time for a short practice conversation using these phrases. I'll play the role of someone having a bad day, and Lily will try to cheer me up.
All right, let's do it.
David, acting sad. I had such a terrible day. I was late for work, and then it started raining.
Oh no, David. But hey, look on the bright side. At least you didn't forget your umbrella today.
That's true, but I just feel unlucky lately.
Come on, keep your chin up. Every cloud has a silver lining. Maybe things will turn around tomorrow.
You're right. I should stay positive. Thanks, Lily.
Anytime. Focus on the good and you'll start to feel better.
Listeners, you can practice just like this with a friend. Try using these phrases in your daily life.
Let's quickly review today's new words and phrases.
David, look on the bright side. Find something good in a bad situation.
Stay positive. Keep a hopeful attitude.
Keep your chin up. Don't give up or stay strong.
Every cloud has a silver lining. There's always something good, even in hard times.
Mindset, the way you think or see the world.
Gratitude, thankfulness.
Focus on the good. Pay attention to positive things.
Perfect summary.
Before we finish, let's leave our listeners with one positive thought.
How about this? You can't control everything, but you can control your attitude.
That's powerful. So even if life gets tough, you can choose to stay calm, hopeful, and grateful.
And remember, learning English is just like positive thinking. It takes practice and patience.
Exactly. Every time you practice, you're growing. So keep your chin up and stay positive.
Thanks for joining us today on Real English Conversations.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a review. It really helps others find our show.
We'll be back soon with another fun and helpful English lesson.
Until next time, focus on the good and keep practicing your English.